Hi friends, welcome back to Wisdom Academy YouTube channel. This is 3-minute factoid. Where to go, Mars or Moon? So if you have given a chance to either travel to Mars or to Moon, where would you like to travel? This is the topic of today. I will compare traveling to Moon and traveling to Mars, and then you will decide whether you want to go to Moon or whether you want to go to Mars, which will be more easy and which will be more difficult. So I will compare these two things with some parameters. First, I will talk about atmosphere. So where do you think atmosphere is better? We know that Moon has almost no atmosphere, very less, or you can say no, whereas Mars has some atmosphere. Though the atmosphere comprises mostly of carbon dioxide, anyhow carbon dioxide is very good for plants, but Moon, it has no atmosphere. So Moon does not suit for human beings, not even for plants. At least Mars suit for plants. Somehow we will find a way to make oxygen, and then we can think of going to this. So atmosphere, who wins? Definitely it is Mars. So atmosphere, Mars is much better than Moon. Second point of comparison is water. Now water, is it there on Mars? Yeah, the study says that, I cannot say very surely, but study says that in the subsurface region, if we dig, then there is possibility of getting water on Mars, and that too in huge quantities. So Mars is believed to have huge water source. Moon on the other hand, yeah, Moon also people have found that water is there, but Moon, the water is there only in the poles. So in case you want to get water from the Moon, you need to go to poles to fetch the water. You will not find water on the other regions of the Moon. So once again, who is the winner? The winner is Mars. Third point of discussion is distance. Now, which is near, Moon or Mars? Obviously, Moon is very near. So being near, it has a lot of advantages. Traveling is very fast. It is near to us, and Mars is really very far, and going there is not that easy. So in distance, who wins? Definitely Moon. Next thing is travel. Now, if I want to travel to Moon, I can travel within 3 days. If I want to travel to Mars, it will take 4 to 5 months, maybe 6 months to travel. So with present technology, it will take months to reach Mars, whereas reaching to Moon will take 3 days. Why it is more important is, suppose you reach and there is some problem and you have to be rescued from there. Rescuing from Mars is very long process, but rescuing from Moon, it is very easy. So once again, who wins in travel? It is obviously Moon. Next parameter is communication. Communication from Moon will be easy. Being near, within few seconds of delay, you can get the information from Moon. But communication from Mars may take some half an hour or 30-45 minutes of delay. So communication, who is the winner? Moon is the winner. Now let us see some parameter like length. Day, you know one thing, Moon is small, but it spins very slow. 1 day to complete on Moon will take almost 28 days of the Earth, whereas Mars has similar spinning speed of Earth, and it has very likely to day and night. Here the day and night will be very long. There it will be suiting the Earth. So length of the day, who wins? Definitely it is Mars. Next and the last point of comparison is gravity. Gravity of Moon, many of you will know, it is almost 1/6 of the Earth, whereas gravity of Mars, it is 1/3 or little bit near to that value. So 60 kg person will be 20 kg on Mars, but 10 kg on Moon. You may think I am less weight, I can fly, I can be weightless. No, don't think like that. Gravity plays a very important role in bones development, in bone building, in keeping some things on the surface. So once again, who is the winner in gravity? It is Mars. So these are some points of comparison. Now you can itself say where to go. It's up to you to decide, want to go on Mars or want to go on Moon. I feel personally Mars is more explorable and we can have more minerals. Even Moon has a lot of minerals, but I feel first most important drawback is it is since it has no atmosphere, meteorites attack, radiation attack will be little more on Moon. With this, I am ending today's video. I will be back with some more interesting video. Till then, please like our video, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.